What is good, YouTube? It is your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back just like 1995. Y'all know what today is. It's March 18th. It's time to go pick up those I'm Back 10s. Now, just like I told y'all in the last few videos, I do take pre-orders. One of these pair I'm securing for my man Mike on a pre-order with me. So I'm gonna try to take y'all through the whole process with me while I get them, maybe get them off the mic or whatever, and I want y'all to just roll with me. I may do a little quick review when I get back in the whip with them, just see how y'all feel about them, but just ride with your boy. OVE! Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? So I'm back in the whip now. I've been in and out of the mall. So I'm gonna try to do a real quick in-car review. I don't want to disturb his joints too much. Like I said, this is a pre-order, but since they are in hand, before I hand them off to my boy, I'm gonna show y'all them real quick. Let's get into the review. All right, y'all. So I was in and out of the mall, and like I said, I gotta get this is a pre-order from one of my people. So shout out to one of my plugs, Foot Locker. And got Mike size 10. They done beat up his box already. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to do a quick review. As y'all can see, you can't really see it in the lighting, but you got that red Jumpman on the back of that thing. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad where y'all can see the colors and how they really pop. You got the 318.95 on the wrapping paper. I'm gonna try not to disturb his sneakers too much. Like I said, this is not my personal pair of shoes, so I don't want to get them dirty, and I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, have them looking crazy when I get them to one of my people. So, but as you can see, here we go. That leather, it's not a tumbled leather. It looked like cracks, but it is soft. I mean, for people that care about that stuff. And I think the highlight of the sneaker is the I'm Back on the heel tabs, on the pull tabs on the back, and you got the 318.95 on the other one. You got like a nubuck lacing system. That leather is nice though. I can't even stunt. You got Air Jordan 23 embossed on the tongue, and you got the Jumpman embroidered on the back. So I just wanted to do an up close and personal look at the sneaker. The inside of the sneaker, you can't see it in this lighting. Oh well, it is red, but it's a dope shoe. There wasn't a bunch of people waiting in the mall. It had about 15 people in my mall, and they had them in every store. So let me get these back in here nice and neatly, so my man Mike can be satisfied with his purchase. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick detail. Like I said, it's not my personal pair, but this is from Foot Locker, and then I think he got the red Jumpman on this side as well. So y'all know how we do. OVE.